Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this very beautiful curly mohawk wig using straight braiding hair. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So the hair I used is this hair in color 27. I got it from AliExpress. Like I said in my previous video, that's where I like shopping for hair pieces, because that's where I'm guaranteed to get the right color for me. So I like shopping from there. So I cut the hair into 4. I first cut it in 2 and then cut that in 2, making it cut 4. So I'm now feathering out the hair. After feathering out, I comb out and brush it smooth. Now I'm going to start making the curls. To make the curls, I'm using barbecue skewers. You can also use plastic straws if you like, but I couldn't find it anywhere in Germany, and I just realized that plastic straws were banned in Europe, so I decided to use barbecue skewers. Now to make the curl, just place the hair on the stick and start wrapping it around. As you're wrapping, you keep twisting the hair. As you're wrapping, you twist and wrap until you get to the end, and then just use. That's the beauty of feathering the hair out. Makes you have that little piece at the end that you can just easily use to secure it at the end. So that's it. I secured the top with bobby pins, and that's it. Now when I'm done with all the hair pieces, I'm going to dip the hair in hot water. But before dipping the hair in, I'm going to add conditioner just so the hair remains silky smooth. So I'm dipping the hair in hot water right now, and I'm trying to make sure the hot water coats every single strand, every single bit of the hair. So that's it. If anyone unravels, just fix it and dip it again in hot water. For the wig cap, I just used the line that is already on my wig cap as a guide, you know, to cut out the size I need. I didn't really measure, but I just cut it a bit beyond the line, mohawk line, because I needed it to be a bit wider.
No one can control that old time rock and roll, no rule of gravity, and hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to you?
So now we are gonna unravel the hair. Beautiful curls. This is spring twist. So I just cut the tips off so it wouldn't make the hair too tangled because of the way I wrapped it. So I snipped the ends off, and then I'm taking little pieces at a time to crochet onto the wig cap. So from here on, I'll just let you guys watch to see what I'm doing. I'll come back if there is any point where I need to explain something.
Can I follow you Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, and don't be a stranger. I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity, and hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, and don't be a stranger. Don't be a stranger. Turn up the stereo, the sound is taking hold. You dance like no one sees, a private galaxy. The music of your soul, a symphony composed. Your words are wasted on me. Can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, don't be a stranger. Can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I've learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, and don't be a stranger.
So that's it, guys. Our curly mohawk wig is ready. Although I made some mistake while cutting it, I cut some places a little bit too much, but while I was wearing it, it wasn't noticeable. My hair is super thick, so I managed to put it in this struggle fro hook. Now I'm going to braid it down just to get that part really flat. You want it as flat as you can get it. I just made some ponytails in fro hook fashion, and I'm just braiding each ponytail and connecting to the next behind it. I just did that until I got to the last one.
Of your hand, there's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, and don't be a stranger. Don't be a stranger.
So this is it, guys. Now it's time to install the wig. I already sew in 4 combs, one in front and at the back and one on each side. So just put it on and secure with the comb. That's it. Very simple and easy.
Don't be a stranger.
I really love this mohawk wig. When I wore it out, it was so light and very convenient, and it looks quite natural. Like if you're not black, you probably can't tell. That's it, guys. Bye and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also feel free to leave any questions in the comment section below. I love you all and see you in my next video. Bye.